Hey everyone, how you doing? It's Ed with the Reef Corner. Hey there, big guys. Indian Ocean Porcupine Puffer. It is actually already sold. I'm just updating a video for a customer. But if you have any questions regarding any of my other fish, 201-926-0536, call or text. Or email me at sales@thereefcorner.com. Measuring at about 8.5 inches. I like these guys. They come out of the Indian Ocean. They come out of the Caribbean. Personally, I think the ones out of the Caribbean, Indian Ocean, I prefer their markings, their colors. Alrighty folks, thank you. To sell this fish does come with a Spectrum pellet to offer for free. 250 gram size container. There you go. And that's just a tiny way of saying thank you very much for your purchase. We do appreciate it. You are gorgeous.